Alright, so let's start the things with looking at this chart. So basically, this is a summary of the Comet Referral Program and all the common questions that people usually have about it. So in simple words, this chart shows who can join, how you can earn, and how much you get paid, depend on your country. Okay, our first question is who's qualified? It's super simple. You just need to download the Comet browser, then log in, set it as a default browser, and then just submit one query. That's it. Once you have done all this step, you are qualified to earn to the referral program. But here's a one more condition. To actually start referring others, you must need to be an active Perplexity Pro or the Max subscriber. So yeah, you need an Perplexity the paid plan before you can access the referral dashboard. But here's a good news for you. If you use a fresh mail to sign up on the Comet browser using our description link, you will get a 1 month Perplexity Pro for completely free. So you can just go and check it out the first link in the description below. Okay, now let's talk about the fun part that is payouts. So if you look at this black box and the left side of the chart, you will see the different payout amount for the each countries. For example, in the United States, you can earn up to $15 per qualified sign up. In India, Indonesia, and the Malaysia, it's about $2. And other countries like Canada, Singapore, France, and the UK are around $10 each. So yeah, payouts vary depending on the where the person lived you referred, and you might be thinking why these payouts are different. Well, in simple words, it's based on the cost of the living and the local market value. So Comet just adjusts the reward so it's fair for the each country. Now, here's a question a lot of people ask. What if I live in one country and refer someone from another? So that is a good question. In that case, the referred person's country decide the payout. So let's say you are in India, but someone from the US sign up using your link. So you will get the US rate, which is about $15. That is pretty cool. Okay, our next question is how you can actually share your referral links. So once your Dub dashboard's active, you get a unique affiliate link. You just need to copy that link and share it with your friends or family, and don't just copy animals or someone else link. All your referral links and the earning will be tracked automatically through the Dub, and no worries about the limit because there is no cap on a referral. That means you can invite as many people as you want and keep earning. There is a no upper limit. And finally, how do you get paid? So let's keep it super straight, and Dub send all the payment directly. You just need to sign up on the Dub platform and connect your bank account. That's it. From there, you can track all your earnings, see your performance, and monitor your payouts all in one place. And if you see the pending option, that's mean Perplexity is going to hold your payments for about 30 days. After the 30 days, you can withdraw your payments from there, and the minimum withdrawal limit is about $10, and the upper limit is there is no upper limit. You can earn as much as you can. And that's everything you need to know about the Comet Referral Program. And it's super simple. Just download, refer, and earn. And now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing updates like this. And I will see you in the next one.